Alright, what's up guys? We're back. I know it's been a while, but I've been down in Chico for about a month now doing non-car stuff, so I've been super busy, so I haven't been able to make any videos or anything. But today we're going out to Thunderhill for a Drift SF event. Got a good group of people going, probably 6 or 7 of us local cars. And so I just woke up. It's about 6 in the morning. Going to pick up my buddy Jared. My truck's at his house with his car and trailer on my truck, so we're in his sweet Camry right now. But we're about to go to his house, grab my truck, and then we will get on our way. Alright, so as far as cars we got going out there, I'm towing Jared's S13 hatch out there. My brother and Doug are going to be in their 350Zs. My buddy Bay and his 1J S13 coupe. Our buddy Aaron's gonna have a 350Z out there. Our buddy Chris is gonna have an E46, and our buddy Wyatt's gonna have an IS300. I think that's gonna be about it for all of our local cars. I'm not registered, but I'm probably gonna swing through Chico, and we're gonna grab my car just in case and see if maybe you can finesse a little bit of seat time in there. So we'll see how that goes. We should have some extra tires, maybe make that happen, but just kind of play that by ear. But I gotta grab my car from Chico anyways, so we'll stop through and grab that. Alright, here we are, local Rayleigh's getting it. This is Jared's car, S13 hatch, most of it's Sylvia front. It's RB20, modded knuckles, LCA is welded diff. He just bought a whole hydro setup for it, but has not installed it. Bought a dual caliper for it, so that'll be nice. But it's got a cage, buckets, all that good stuff. But it's only his like 3rd time having it out, so see how it does. Got Doug. Got the 1J coupe hiding over there somewhere. What's up, dog?
Gang. Ready for this shit.
Fuck yeah. Said it's the most redneck 1J you've ever seen. This thing's sick though. He literally traded an S2000 for it, a bucket ass S2000, and it's been super reliable. Just 1J W58, I think. We don't even know. We've never even been underneath it, so we said it was RM54, I'm pretty sure it's W58. It's on like 15 pounds, shoots super sick flames, so you'll probably see some of those today. Alright Jared, I'm fucking taking videos, dude, for your stupid vlog that you wanted me to fucking do. Alright, we finally made it out. I jinxed the 1J, it's running like shit. There's Theo. But flying hella fat. Yeah, you can. Try to unplug the ignition so it doesn't fire. I mean, it can fire, but the 1J's having problems. I'm trying to figure out what's up with that. The line is fat as fuck. But Doug and E-Dog are up there lurking. The track's kind of weird. It's like not very flowy. Got some weird stuff going on, but typical Thunderhill, 2 long lines, not enough seat time, but we'll try to get some good driving in. Chris's car. Them wide ones.
Fuck my tires.
This guy must drift. Those are your tires?
No. You did what?
Mama, we can't play this year. Everywhere we fit them pistols heavy, we can't take it there. Stuck in Bitcoins, I'm different flexing. Hope that we your bitch up in my bed, she is my difference. Can't really hold you, got picked off as an exception. G.O.D. if she ain't cashing out, then I'm in trouble. Extra, I'm right there by the intersection.
Alright, we're finally done for the day. I didn't get my foot that much footage, but hopefully we get some from the homies. We had some fucking sick 6-car like tandem trains all the end of the day. Got Jared with a little fucking sauce. It was clean though. Didn't even break drift. Good to go. Bash bar. Got a little bit service. This thing's super cheesy anyways, but it's all good. Also gave Chris a little tap. We were going like 5 deep in the donut pit, so we're out of here for now. But hopefully, I didn't film as much as I wanted to because it never happens. We end up driving, but hopefully we can throw all the GoPros and some of the homies footage together and it comes out good. So we'll see y'all later. All right, we're back out here a couple days later. Definitely has been snowing a lot. Finally unloading Jared's car in the snow.
Fuck yeah.
Got the new sticker on already. The dent popped out. Still see the quarter panel feeler marks, but she's pretty clean. Also, while we're here, may as well check this out. This thing's kind of cool. Datsun 240Z 74, I want to say 73. I don't know. Used to small block Chevy. Used to have a 144 B&M blower on it. Nitrous kit, but we put a cam in it, and I don't know, he thinks it was the carb that was bad. It was a brand new carb. That demon right there. I think the new cam flattened because we didn't break it in right. But it was running like shit, and now he's parting it out. At least parting the motor out. Probably gonna go LS on it. It's turbo 350, fuel cell in the back. Still Datsun rear end, but this thing's cool. It was pretty quick. It was ran pretty close to the Supra, but we actually never even sprayed it with the kit. But the kit was on there, and it's a plate kit, so can't really use it for the LS, but sure just buy a fogger nozzle for it and run that. But yeah, I really like this car, and it's kind of ratty, but it's like not rusted out, and the bones are actually really good. Just kind of got a nice little patina to it almost. This wonderful D-Max hood, all the water goes and sits in the coil packs. Great design. Ah, you're good, send it. Ah, you're gonna be good. Getting it in the garage might be a little bit different story.
Yeah, no.
Hey, just don't turn a lot, just turn easy, you know? Alright, you're good. Just get it to that bare patch. Here, I'm gonna push you. Oh, you suck. Alright, after about 10 minutes of shoveling and some driving, she's in there.
Dad.
Alright, that's about it for this thing. Until next time. Say bye, Avery.